Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stir-fry sauce at home. First, let's gather our basic ingredients. You'll need a good quality soy sauce and a touch of sesame oil for that authentic flavor. Don't forget a sweetener like honey or brown sugar, and a splash of rice vinegar to brighten things up. Finally, cornstarch is key for achieving that perfect glossy texture. Now let's talk about boosting those flavors. Freshly grated ginger brings a wonderful warmth, while minced garlic adds a pungent depth that's essential. If you like a little kick, a pinch of chili flakes will do the trick. And for a subtle, yet impactful enhancement, a dash of white pepper really ties all the flavors together beautifully. Mixing your sauce correctly is crucial for a smooth result. Start by whisking all your liquid ingredients together in a bowl until well combined. For the cornstarch, always dissolve it in a small amount of cold water first to create a slurry. Then, gradually whisk this slurry into your sauce mixture. Remember to taste and adjust the seasonings to perfectly suit your palate. Once your delicious stir-fry sauce is ready, proper storage is important. Keep it in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 5 days. Before each use, give it a good whisk to ensure all the ingredients are well combined. A good rule of thumb is to use about 1/4 cup of sauce for every 1 pound of protein and vegetables.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.